MicroStrategy had been trading at over $540 per share, but currently is trading at $162 per share. MSTR buys and holds Bitcoin. And over the past few months, we've seen the price of Bitcoin come down significantly from a high of $126 to its current price of $91. But MSTR has always had a problem, and that is the fact that the price of the shares have always exceeded the price of the underlying asset. The problem with MSTR is that you could literally go out and buy Bitcoin for significantly less than the value of the Bitcoin that MSTR was holding, which means it never really made sense to buy MSTR because you were significantly overpaying for the stock. But something has changed in the last quarter. And now, for the first time, the price to book ratio is actually below 1, meaning for the first time in years, you are able to buy the value of MSTR's holdings for less than their actual value. In fact, you're able to buy MSTR's assets at only 87% of their actual value. And we've never seen that before. This is the first time in years that MSTR is trading below the value of the underlying asset, which means it's the first time in years that MSTR is actually a really good buy. Now, the one word of caution with MSTR is that it might continue to go lower. And that is because if you look at the price of Bitcoin, it is struggling right now, and we might go a little bit lower. Some people think Bitcoin could fall as much as $50,000 before it finally bottoms out. And if we look at the technical chart on MSTR, we see that it already broke below a very strong support level of 180. And still, with the price to book value at 0.87, it is a good buy right now. But I wouldn't load up heavy on MSTR because it's possible it might continue falling to $120 per share. But as I've mentioned in prior videos, I do believe that Bitcoin is going to bottom out this year and it's about to go on a major rally. I do believe that sometime next year or the year after, we could see Bitcoin hit $250,000 per share. And that means you're getting an opportunity to buy MSTR at what might very well be the lowest price it trades at ever again in history.